Welcome to this 40-minute full body bar and Pilates workout. Get ready to challenge yourself and push your limits. We're diving right in. So let's get started with our first exercise, the plie squat. Stand with your feet wider than hip width apart, toes turned out. Lower your body into a squat, keeping your chest lifted and your knees aligned with your toes. Hold for a moment, then rise back up. Feel that burn in your thighs and glutes. Let's do 10 reps together. Now, let's transition into the classic Pilates move, the 100. Lie on your back, lift your legs to a tabletop position, and raise your head and shoulders off the mat. Extend your arms alongside your body and pump them up and down while breathing in for 5 counts and out for 5 counts. Keep your core engaged. This exercise is fantastic for building endurance and strength. Next, we'll move into a bar-inspired lunge. Step forward with your right foot into a lunge position, making sure your knee doesn't go past your toes. Lower your back knee toward the ground, then push through your front heel to return to standing. Switch legs and repeat. This will sculpt your legs and improve your balance. Now let's hit the mat for some core work with a roll-up. Lie flat on your back with your arms extended overhead. Inhale as you lift your arms and head, rolling up one vertebra at a time. Exhale as you reach forward toward your toes. This movement is all about control and precision. So take your time and feel each part of your spine articulate. We're halfway through, and it's time for a side leg series. Lie on your side, supporting your head with your arm. Keep your legs straight and lift your top leg to hip height. Then lower it back down without touching your bottom leg. Let's do 10 reps on each side. This exercise targets your outer thighs and helps create that long, lean look. Now, let's switch to the other side and repeat. Remember to keep your core engaged and your movements slow and controlled. You should be feeling the burn by now. Next up is the bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Press through your heels to lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for a moment, then lower back down. Let's do this for 10 reps. This is a great way to strengthen your posterior chain. We're nearing the end, but we can't forget about our arms. Grab some light weights or use your body weight for the tricep dip. Sit on the edge of a sturdy chair or bench, hands beside your hips. Lower your body down by bending your elbows, then push back up. Keep your shoulders down and away from your ears. Let's aim for 15 reps. Finally, we'll finish with a relaxing stretch. Sit cross-legged and reach your arms overhead, taking a deep breath in. Exhale as you lean to one side, feeling the stretch in your side body. Switch sides and hold. This is your time to cool down and reflect on the hard work you just put in. If you've learned something new today, please like, subscribe, and share this workout with your friends. Your feedback is valuable, so feel free to leave a comment. Remember, every rep counts, and you just taken a step toward a stronger, healthier you. Keep pushing, and I'll see you next time.